It is 100 degrees here and my air conditioner is not working in my car. So welcome everyone to a hot and very, very humid day in Ontario, Canada, and I'm just heading to get my hair cut. Yay! So, I just thought I would just get on and have a chit chat while I drive to my hairdressers. I used to do this a lot, like back a couple of years ago. I used to take you with me all the time when I went to get my hair done, and everybody really liked these car vlogs. And then I kind of stopped for a while, and I kind of, just stopped doing it and got into perfume, makeup, stuff like that. So, but the last year and a half has been mostly fragrances. And, and by the way, I am wearing Terracotta today by Guerlain. And it's a perfect fragrance for an extremely hot tropical day. And I feel like I'm in the tropics. And my bottle is just a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit left of it. So, so that's my fragrance of the day, is Terracotta. And I'm getting a lot off my hair today. Reason being, I have a bit of a surprise for you guys and gals. I've already told a few of you, so there's a couple of you out there that already know that I chat to on a daily basis. My little Abby, for instance, knows all about it. And we have plans. But besides that, I went ahead and talked to my sister and my niece. And I have a sister who is turning 80. Yeah, she's turning 80. So my mom had her kids when she was young, and then she had me when she was in her 40s. So so my sister's turning 80, and she's like me. She's really spry. She golfs. She walks for miles a day. She would put some 30-year-olds to shame. So I wanted to go and spend the time and celebrate her 80th birthday. So I went ahead and I said, look, I'm going to try for the third time, three times a charm, to book a flight to Ireland. And I fly into Dublin I fly out on the 18th of September, and I fly into Dublin on the 19th of September. And then I travel up from Dublin up to Belfast. Right up on the very north coast is a little place called Coleraine, Portrush, Portstewart, right along the top north coast of Ireland. So that's where my sisters live. And excuse me, I just finished eating lunch, so kind of sucking my teeth, which is very rude. And anyway, so she said, oh yeah, book it, and I thought, I'll just go ahead. Anywho, so it's 3 weeks until I go, so I want my hair cut a little bit shorter than normal because I won't be getting it cut again until I come back. So there's that. Then I've also got an appointment to have some laser done on my face. Now I have no makeup or anything on today, just lipstick. Nothing on. My daughter-in-law goes to this clinic, this skin clinic, and this nurse, her name is Nurse Irene. Nurse Renee. And she owns a skin clinic. She does lasers. She does threading, lifting, like it's a threading thing. I don't know about that. I'm not having that done. But yeah, she does that. She does Botox for these little 11s. She does lip fillers, and of course the laser will take away all the brown spots and get rid of a lot of the red broken capillaries on my face. I had it done several years ago and it was fabulous. My skin looked great. It left it feeling so nice and soft, and then, you know, over time, even with suntan lotion on, it still sunscreen on, it still came back, because it does, you know, that's just the way it is. So I will document it, the process that I'm going through. I think I go for that on the 10th of October. So I thought what I might do is try and document that as I go and show you the before and then the after. So I'll probably get about 3 procedures done. I'm going to get my lips done, but I'm only going to get them like half fill. So, and it's really only just 2, because the top lip is starting to curl under, and that happens with age. And the sides of your lips start to drop. So she explained to me what that will do is it'll also smooth out, a little bit of Botox in here will also smooth out these, what they used to call smoker lines, which I never smoked. But yeah, that will, let me just turn this off. And that will, a little bit of Botox in here, maybe a half lip fill to see if I like it or not. I don't want big lips. I just want my lips to be back to what they were when I was younger, and natural looking. So that is what I'm planning on doing, and I'll take you along with me. And you know, guys, I would never have a procedure done and not share it with you, because that's not who I am. You know, this is me. This is how I look. I'm very, very, very blessed and fortunate that I look as good as I do at 67. However, I would like to enhance it, clear my skin a little bit, because I don't wear a lot of makeup. I just like to put on like a little bit of concealer, lipstick, eyeshadow, and powder, and out the door. So by doing that, it's going to cover all these, you know, it's going to take all of these nasty age spots and get rid of those. And the lips just hopefully will just plump it up a little bit and make me look a little bit more youthful looking. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And you know me, I always share what I'm doing and what I'm up to. As long as it's not infringing on someone else's personal life, then I can share whatever the hell I want. So yeah, I have about 5 more minutes to chat with you guys. What else? I'm not planning on traveling outside of Ireland while I'm there. Had it not been for COVID, I probably would have stayed longer. I'm staying around 3 weeks. Again, you know, COVID permitting, if we're not in a fourth phase and we're not shut down. Then if we're shut down, then obviously the airline cancels your flight and you get your money back, or you can take a voucher and wait for it to open up again, which is probably what I will do. But this is the 3rd time, and they do, you know what they say about the 3rd time, third time's a charm, you know. And I'm desperate to see my family, my sisters. They're all getting older, and you know, it would be so nice to just spend you know, that time with all sisters to celebrate, and then, you know, yeah, I feel you know, that's what I'd like to do. So what else is happening? Not much else. This is my hair before I washed it, and probably won't be able to get it into a ponytail after it's cut, because it's going to be quite short and really feathered, like I had it done a year and a half ago. It was super feathered, super, you know, like really thin and feathery down here, and probably get it cut up to about here. So I have on my Happiness t-shirt today. You know, got to advertise my YouTube channel. And on that note, I'm going to go. Whew, hot. mail the package, get my hair done, and you'll see the results when I come back. So just like that, I'll be back. Hi, I'm back from getting my hair cut. I told you I was going to get a lot of hair cut off. Whew, I'm sweating. Yeah, I said I'd get a lot cut off. So I did. More than I wanted, but it's better. It's better this way. It's a little blunter than I wanted it. I kind of wanted it more shaggy at the bottom, but it's nice. I mean, it's still kind of shaggy, you know what I mean? But I wanted it a little bit more shaggy. Anywho, I love it. I'm super hot. Sweat is dripping down the sides of my face. My air conditioner, as you know, is broken. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see if it will work today. I don't think so. Engine, no, it's not working. It's not working. It's got something to do with the computer in my car. So anyhow, hair is done, and I'm heading back home to the air-conditioned house. And yeah, just wanted to pop in and say, got my hair done. So yeah, guys, have a great day. Have a great rest of the week. Great weekend leading up to, and I will see you all on my next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Mwah. Love you guys.